This is like girls just want to have fun. Like girls just want to have fun. Oh, girls just want to have fun. Howdy, hey, babes. Evie here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about one of my favorite subjects, lip gloss, because it's popping. This is going to be a part 2 of an old video I had that actually has done really well on my channel. It's involving lip gloss swatches from Dior Addict Stellar Gloss. I did it 6 months ago and I've still gotten so much comments about it, so much like love about it. I felt like doing a part 2 that could be more suited for summertime shades that are also dark skin and dark lip friendly. And yeah, so come closer, come here. Oh, much better. Thanks for coming closer. I won't bite. Right now I only have clear lip gloss on my lips. The lippies that I'm going to be sharing with you today are from the same line, the Dior Stellar Gloss. I have all of these lovely shades, and this is just going to be so beautiful on your skin. Like, comment, share, subscribe. The last video did really well, so I hope this one does well too. Thank you for watching and supporting me. Being a small YouTuber is not easy, so let's just, you know, give you the accolades for that. And yeah, let's get to the lips. Yeah, the lips. So the first shade that I am going to be swatching is number 643, EverDior. This color is I would say it's like more of a coral color. Like my last video, I'm not going to be using any lip liner or anything underneath my lips, so you're just going to see it full-fledged as it is. Okay, first swipe. Come through. Ooh. Ooh. So this is EverDior. Yeah, this is really cute. Y'all know I love this applicator. Giving. This is EverDior 643 for reference if you ever want to get it. This is such a nice summer lip. Amen. Amen. Yeah, this is giving, especially with my hair color right now. Absolutely giving. So this is EverDior 643, and we're gonna get to the next one. The next shade that I have for you is 840 Dior Fire. So I don't know if the camera is giving it justice, but this is like kind of like an orangey red. You gotta have a good orangey red for the summer. I mean, oh! I mean, first of all, a bright lip in the summertime is absolutely channeling. I'm not even gonna do a second swipe because this is just giving me, it's giving. I really love this color. Dior Fire 840. Please, please, please. I mean, I just want to be like on a beach with this color with like an orange or white swimsuit. Yeah. Please. Dior, I mean, next shade. The next shade that I have for you is another fiery shade. This shade by Dior is kind of similar to the last one, but not. So this is called Dior Rise. I know it kind of looks similar on camera, but they're not. Let me show you why. Gotta love the wand. The color, I mean, this one's a bit more red. Now this is a summer red. This is like the red lip you wear to the beach and it's wearable. This shade, it's such a perfect, like, red. It's a perfect red moment for me. I mean, him. Dior Rise 864. Dior Rise 864. Gosh, Dior, man. Mm, mm. We move. Okay, so the next shade that I have is another color that I think if you are a barb or listening to Beam Me Up Scotty lately, you would love it. This is a pink shade. Okay, this is a 675 Ultra Dior. Everyone that knows me knows that I love pink. It's my favorite color, so excited to try this out. This has like a little bit of sparkle in it. It's very beautiful. Let's see how it looks on me though. Oh, I mean, this is giving Barbie. You can't tell me this isn't Malibu Barbie, like. This is like a calm Barbie lip. I mean, I only did one swipe. The red stain from before is kind of adding to this, I think, but I can't tell. This is giving me a very calm, oh, this is Barbie. Yeah, this is giving me Barbie. I mean, I'm putting on so many layers because I love it. Like, it's a summer Barbie look. Now, would I do this with this makeup? Probably. I would need some blush. And I would need some blush to kind of tie this in, but I love it. This is UltraDior. It's ultra glossy. It's ultra pink, but it's not like a bad pink. I think it's a really cute pink for my skin tone. I love it here. 765 UltraDior. Amaze, beautiful summer. So we're on our last and final shade. This is the last one. So this is like a calm, everyday mauve color, I think. I still think it's good for summer because it's like not too dark, not too light for those that just like a neutral and normal look. Like, I think this will be great for like those no makeup days, but you know what? It depends. 785 Diorama for people that like drama. I don't like drama, but I mean, when it comes to makeup, I don't mind a little drama. Yeah. You see how natural that is? It has some pinkness to it, but I think it's like a cute, calm pink. I really love it. Honestly, these lip glosses make my lips look so bomb. Like, and mind you, I've been feeling really ugly lately because my skin has been really like not it, like super disgusting with the texture. This is Diorama number 785. So I'm finishing off this tutorial with my favorite summer red lip and this hat. I mean, am I extra? I might be. All of these shades are absolutely bomb. You will transport to a beach immediately. Okay? I mean, just look at them. Just look at them. I mean, are we gonna deny that we deserve summer right now? Because we deserve, okay? And that's on Jesus, Daddy. Okay? That's on Jesus. I ended up mixing these two colors, Dior Rise and Dior Fire, to get this look. I really love it with this hat. I really just want to be on a beach somewhere. And honestly, you should be too. But this is the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. Remember that you glow for a living because you're lit from within, beyond skin deep. And I'm just ready to transport to a beach, okay? But before you transport to a beach, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. It really supports me. If you haven't caught my last video about Dior Stellar Addict swatches, you definitely want to do that. So I'll have it here or somewhere in this YouTube sphere. And yeah, toodaloo.